Kobo Libra H2O. This is Kobo's one of their mid-range e-readers, Kobo being the main competitor to Kindle. It's featuring a 7-inch e-ink screen. It's waterproof, thus the H2O in the name, and Comfort Light Pro, which is the name Kobo give to the idea of having a light within the e-ink screen. So I've just bought this for about £120, and well, this is the first time I'm opening it. I'm quite excited. Right, I'm usually not great at these. Yep, already confused. Oh, okay, it's one of those. And there we have it. That was quite a quick reveal. It doesn't have one of those annoying boxes that you have to open very slowly. So I've got the black one, obviously not the white which the image shows. Let's just take it in hand, I guess. Okay, first off, this is very light compared to the size of it. It's pretty slim. You can see it's got that kind of wedge shape going on where one side is thicker, and that's meant to make it easier to hold in one hand. Well, yeah, I mean, I'm not going to boot it up now, but I'll just give a first impressions over. The back's got this texture, which it doesn't look like the most classy, expensive thing, but actually the feel of it is sort of soft touch and relatively grippy. Yeah, it's more grippy than if it was smooth. You're just shaking it around there. Pretty cool, yeah. And then you've got on the back, you've got the logo, Rakuten Kobo, and an on-off switch. Man, that was a really quick unboxing, wasn't it? I mean, I don't think there's much else in here. Quick start guide, cable to add to my very large collection of cables, micro USB. Yeah, I just don't know what to say, really. So I bought this. I actually own a Kindle Paperwhite, which you can see here. You can see that size difference, man. That's crazy. So I bought this Kindle Paperwhite about 2 years ago, and I basically wanted to try something with a bigger screen. So that's where this Kobo comes in. So I'm going to be putting this e-reader through its paces over the next few weeks. Definitely subscribe to stay tuned for a review of this eventually. I'm also going to do a comparison with the Kindle Paperwhite, which I had previously, and see how they stack up and which one is the best mid-range e-reader. Thanks again for watching. Do drop any comments or questions in the comment bit, and I'll catch you in the next one.